ॐ खानिलाग्न्यब्धरित्यन्तं स्रक्खणीवोद्गतं यतः ध्वान्तच्छिदे नमस्तस्मै हरये बुद्धिसाक्षिणे शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। नैष्कर्म्य सिद्धि सेकंड चैप्टर श्लोक नंबर 37 पेज नंबर 73 मूलम एतस्माच्च हेतोरहंकारस्य अनात्मधर्मत्वम् अवसीयताम्। एतस्माच्च फॉर दिस रीजन आल्सो हेतोः हेतु रीजनिंग अहंकारस्य अनात्मधर्मत्वम् अहंकार is dharma of anatma, not of atma. For this reason also, so many reasons are given earlier. Another reason is given. What all reasons were given? If ahankara is dharma of atma, then what will happen?
Anirmoksha prasanga.
Anirmoksha prasanga. Then anything else?
Then dharmi will become anitya.
Dharmi, atma will become anitya because upayan napayan dharmo vikaroti hi dharminam. And
Brahma is avikari, it cannot have vikari dharma.
Brahma is avikari, it cannot have vikari dharma. Okay. So like that, some reasons were given. Now one more reason he gives. Pramaణैश्चावगम्यत्वात् घटादिवदहं दृशेः यतो राद्धि प्रमाणानां सकथं तैः प्रसिद्ध्यति। प्रमाणैश्चावगम्यत्वात् घटादिवदहं दृशेः यतो राद्धि प्रमाणानां सकथं तैः प्रसिद्ध्यति. So in the Moolam it was said anatma dharmatam avasiyatam. Avasiyatam means nishchiyatam. For this reason also ahankara is anatma dharma. Such nishchaya we can have. Pramanaischa avagamyatvat. Ahamkara aham ahamah दृशेः प्रमाणैश्च अवगम्यत्वात् घटादिवत्. Like घट aham means ahankara becomes drishya of atma. Aham drishehe prameya pramanaihi avagamyatvat घटादिवत्. So this is the anumanam. It is given in टीका. यतो राद्धि प्रमाणानां सकथं तैः प्रसिद्ध्यति. यतः यस्मात् since प्रमाणानां राद्धिः सिद्धिः. राद्धिः means सिद्धिः. प्रमाण सिद्धि is because of atma. सह आत्मा तैः प्रमाणैः कथं प्रसिद्ध्यति. Atma makes the siddhi of pramanam. How that atma will become siddha by pramanam? On the other hand, ahankara becomes known through pramanam by Atma. So Atma and ahankara, they have very distinct dharma. Ahankara becomes Vishaya. Atma never becomes Vishaya. How can ahankara be dharma of such Atma? That is the point made here. All these efforts are so that I don't understand myself as ahankara. I don't understand ahankara as my attribute. This is the whole purpose of all this analysis, Sukshma Chintana. So, if we can, of course, we enjoy studying this. If we benefit from this, and if we are able to do dukkha nivritti for ourselves, then this adhyanam is fruitful for us. Tika. Aham means ahankaraha. Prameyatvad drisheratmano ghatadivat bhavati. Okay, now question. What is pratignya in this?
अहङ्कारस्य अनात्मधर्म अहङ्कारः न आत्मधर्मः.
Okay. Ahankaraha na atmadharmaha. This is pratignya. What is the hetu?
Prameyatva.
प्रमाणैश्च अवगम्यत्वात्.
Means prameyatva. Pramanaihi avagamya means prameya. Then in Tika, what is drisheratmano? Ghatadivat, so ghata is drishtanta. What is in between drisheratmano? So you have to do pratignya like this. Ahankara anatmadharmaha. Atmanaha drishehe prameyatvat. This is the hetu. Complete hetu is like this. It is the prameya. Prameya of what? Prameya of Atma. See, generally when we say prameya, we say ghata is prameya. That prameya is for pramata. Ahankara is not prameya for pramata. So in drishtanta, prameyatva is there. In ghata, prameyatva is there. But ghata is prameya for pramata. Ahankara is prameya for
Atma.
This is how you have to understand this Hanuman. Yatha pramanagamyo ghatakarakaadihi atmano dharmo na bhavati. Tadvad ahankaro api atmano dharmo na bhavati ityartha. Just like anything that is pramanagamya, pramanena jnatam, ghatakarakaadi, they don't become the dharma of Atma. They cannot become attribute of Atma. See, we can say ghata is not attribute of Atma. Why? We can give so many reasons. The reason given here in this shloka is because ghata is pramanagamya, pramana vishaya. That which is pramana vishaya cannot become dharma of Atma. Vyatirekena satyam jnanam anantam. Satyam cannot be pramanagamya. Therefore, it is not that it is not dharma of Atma. Means it is dharma of Atma. Similarly, jnanam. Similarly, anantam. So, ahankar also is pramanagamya, pramana vishaya. Therefore, it cannot be Atma dharma. Nanu Atma api pramanagamya. Somebody says, you are saying ahankara is pramanagamya, therefore it is not Atma dharma. Atma is also Pramangamya. You only say Atma becomes known through Vedanta Pramana. That's why we are studying Vedanta. Atma api Pramangamya eva. Iti atah yatah. So now, how is Atma Pramangamya? So we have our answer. Is Atma known through Atma is not known through mind.
Atma is known through mind by Vritti Vyapti. Atma is not known through mind, Phala Vyapti is not there.
So Atma, when it is said Atma is known through mind, Manasai Vedam Aptavyam. So we should understand Vritti Vyapti is possible. न तत्र चक्षुर गच्छति न वाक् गच्छति नो मनो यतो वाचो निवर्तन्ते अप्राप्य मनसा सह. So there we should understand there is no phala vyapti. Radhihi means siddhihi. Radh dhatu, radh siddho, I think. Pramananam, see, Acharya could have used siddhi shabda there. Yato siddhihi pramananam. But he is different. He will use whatever is there in kosha, everything, so that our knowledge base also increases. We put forth some effort. Radhihi siddhi. Pramananam siddhehe prag eva siddhatvena atmano apramana sadhakatvat na pramanadhina tat siddhi rityartha. Before pramana siddhi can take place, prag eva siddhatvena. Atma is siddha before pramana siddhi. Means before pramanas become known, Atma becomes known. And therefore Atmano apramana sadhakatvat. Atma is not साधक अप्रमाण साधकत्वात्. प्रमाणेन साधक और प्रमाणेन साधक means साध्य. Atma is not pramana sadhaka, not pramanena sadhya, pramanena siddha. So na pramanadhina tad siddhi rityartha. Pramanadhina Atma siddhi doesn't happen. Let's say there is a question. Ghata and Atma, Vritti Vyapti is there in both. At least Vritti Vyapti is there in both. So now, why is Atma different from Ghata? Or how is Atma different from Ahankara? If Vritti Vyapti is there in both, to say Phala Vyapti is not there. What does that mean? If Phala Vyapti is there in Ahankara or Ghata but not there in Atma, what does that mean?
Atma is Swayam Prakasha, Chaitanya. Ghata is Jada.
Atma is Chaitanya. So, Chaitanya, for Chaitanya Siddhi, you don't need Pramana. For Jada Vastu Siddhi, you need Pramana. Pramana is not needed to prove Chaitanya. Pramana is needed to remove the Bhranti that I have about myself, that I am Jada. So when we say Vritti Vyapti means my Jadatva, Drishyatva, Parichinnatva, Vyavritti happens through Brahmakar Vritti. Brahmakar Vritti is for this purpose. So that I never ever take myself as Parichinna, Jada, and I also don't take Jagat as Satyam anymore. So when, let's say, some people, somebody does this sadhana that I am doing Brahmakar Vritti, or I think I am Brahma, etc. If you feel that my job is done now, I have realized, when can you say that? Thereafter, you don't feel Jagat is Satyam. You don't think you are Parichinna. You never have that Bhranti anymore. Then you understand your work is over. Until then, you have to study. Purvam Darshana Kriyam. So now Ahankara is not Atma Dharma. Now, Purvam Darshana Kriyam Pratyatmanah Kartrutvad Tat Karmatvacha Ahankarasya Na Tayor Dharma Dharmi Bhava Iti Uktam. Earlier, how it was said, Darshana Kriyam Prati Atmanah Kartrutvat. Atma is the karta of Darshana Kriya. Ahankar becomes karma of Darshana Kriya. Karta means Atma, Atmana, or Atma Ahankaram Pashyati, let's say. Atma Ahankaram Prakashate. Atma illumines Ahankara. So Atma is karta, Ahankara is karma of the Darshan Kriya, Prakashana. Karmatvacha Ahankarasya na tayor dharma dharmi bhava. Therefore, they cannot be dharma dharmi because they are on different sides of Vijnanam. Darshanam means the Pramana Vritti, which is also Vijnanam. Atma is on Karta side, one side. Ahankar is on the other side, Jada, Karma side. Idanin tu chidachid rupatvena shitoshnavat viruddha swabhavatvat na tayor dharma dharmi bhava ityaha. Now it is said, one is chidrupa, another is achidrupa. Chid achid rupatvena, they are viruddha, shitoshnavat viruddha swabhavatvat. Their swabhava is viruddha. Viruddha swabhava, because of that, they cannot have dharma dharmi bhava. Na tayor dharma dharmi bhava. Ityaha. In Moolam, dharma dharminosh chetara dharma dharminoho cha itaretara viruddhatmakatvat asangatihi. This sounds just like Adhyasa Bhashya. Dharma dharminoho itaretar viruddhatmakatvat. They are viruddha, dharma and dharmi. Dharma is Atma, means asmat pratyaya gochara. Dharmi is, in this case, dharma is ahankara, yushmat pratyaya gochara. Dharmi is Atma, asmat pratyaya gochara. And between them, why they cannot be dharma dharmi? Why cannot there be sambandha between them? Because they are viruddha. So therefore, ahankar cannot be dharma of Atma. So here it is direct. Ahankara is not me, not my attribute. Constant thinking only in this way. These shlokas are for that purpose. Earlier it was Deha, Atma, Deha, Viveka. Now it is Atma, Sukshma Sharira, Viveka, but in Sukshma Sharira, main is Ahankara. Ahankara means this Vyaktitva, as I said earlier. Vyaktitva means individuality. We are familiar with the word Kartrutva, Bhoktrutva, Pramatritva. All of them put together is Vyaktitva. I am a person. This is called Ahankara. Ahankara doesn't mean I am wonderful or famous or rich or smart or this or that. Ahankara means I am a finite living being. This is called ahankara. So everyone thinks this is normal. That is why adhyasa is normal for all. Dharminascha viruddhatvan nadrishya guna sangatihi marutandolita jvalam shaityam nagning sisrupsati. Dharminascha viruddhatvan nadrishya guna sangatihi marutandolita jvalam shaityam nagning sis. Ahankara is virodhi of dharmi. Dharminascha viruddhatvat na drishya guna sangatihi. Drishya guna is ahankara. Dharmi is atma. Atma and drishya guna, they are virodhi of each other. Viruddhatvat, there is no sangati. When you say two things should go together, there should be something common between them. If they have nothing in common, means some sadrishya you can show, like I had said, between elephant and ant also you can show sadrishya. That sadrishya is not enough for them to be together. You see, Atma starts with A and Ahankar starts with
Uh,
So that sadrishya is not to show they can be together. I mean, this kind of you have to really see. Here there is total virodha. Viruddhatvat drishya guna sangati hi na bhavati. Drishtanta he gives Maruta andolita jvalam. Let's say there is a conflagration, huge fire, and lot of wind comes, like how we have here in Rishikesh in the morning, in this cold weather now. Maruta. Will it cool down the fire? No, it will increase the fire. Marutandolita jvalam shaityam agnim na sisrupsati. So in this andolita, Maruta means wind. Andolita jvala means the flames. Flames in which there is andolanam. Andolana in Ashtadhyayi, if you look, you will not find this dhatu. But this dhatu is given in Adadigana and in Churadigana. Andola itself is the dhatu. It is Ubhayapadi dhatu. Andola dhatu. So it is given in Madhavi Vrti. Madhavi means who was Madhava? Vidyaranya Swami. Vidyaranya Swamiji's Purvashrama name was Madhava. That's why in some places Madhava Vidyaranya they will write. So Maruta Andolita Jvala, and then Nishtha Pratyaya there. Andola Dhatu, Nishtha Pratyaya, it is said Dhatu. Sisrupsati. Sisrupsati, this is Sripl Gatau Dhatu, is Gatyarthaka Dhatu. So Shaityam Agnim na Gachati, means simple meaning is that, na Sisrupsati. Sisrupsa
Gatum nicha san pratyaya.
Sraptum Icha. Sisrupsa. Sisrupsa is the Atidekshik Dhatu, san pratyaya when you do. And then after san pratyaya, the Kartari Lat, Pratham Purush, Ekvachan will be Sisrupsati. So the Agni will never become cool when flamed by breeze. The conflagration will not cool off with the wind. In the same way, why? Because there is virodha between conflagration and wind. Viruddhatvad. In this way, the example is given. See Tika. Yatha. So Shaityam Agner Dharmo na bhavati. Shaitya will not become dharma of Agni. Virodhat, because there is virodha. And that too, what kind of Agni? Agni which is already blazing. Tadvad ahankaropi atma dharmo na bhavati virodhad eva ityartha. In the same way, ahankara will not become atma dharma. So if a sadhaka after this kind of vichara can do ahankara chintanam as anatma, ahankara chintanam as anatma, that this ahankara is anatma, this is anatma, this is anatma, that ahankara anatma vichara will lead him to Brahma Jnanam. Brahma Jnanam means he has to study that I am Brahma also, about Brahma Swarup. But Tvam-pada Nishtha in Atma will be clear through. That's why he started, this chapter started with that Tattvamasi. In Tattvamasi, the Tvam-pada Shodhanam is what is more important, and that requires time, and this chapter is to facilitate Tvam Padartha Shodhana. Further now, so this definition that I gave about Andola is given in Vachaspatyam in this way. There's somebody sent message. Other way also some interpretation, some sutra could have been there, but they have given directly in this way. In Shabda Kalpadruma also it is given in this way only. But I heard it is that dhatu is given in Madhaviya Vritti. Tasmat Visrabdham Upagamyatam. Visrabdham. Visrabdham, what is the dhatu? Srambha, Vishwase. So, Visrabdham, then Nishtha Pratyay there. Visrabdham. Upagamyata means, therefore, you should have faith. You should become doubtless in this. In what? See in Tika. Ukta yukti balat. Drashtrutva drishyatve vyavasthitadikarane eva iti upasamharati. Tasmat. On the strength of this yukti, drashtrutva drishyatve vyavasthita adhikarane. What is drashta and what is drishya? That role is clearly separated, distinct. Vyavasthitadikarane. Vyavasthitadikarane, what is the samas vigraha? Vyavasthite adhikarane yayoho. द्वयोः ते व्यवस्थिताधिकरणे द्रष्टृत्व दृश्यत्वे एवं च सति एतदपि सिद्धम्. So now shloka, let us see. द्रष्टृत्वं दृश्यता चैव नैकस्मिन्नेकदा क्वचित् दृश्यदृश्यो न च द्रष्टा द्रष्टृदर्शी दृशिर्न च. द्रष्टृत्वं दृश्यता चैव नैकस्मिन्नेकदा क्वचित् दृश्यदृश्यो न च द्रष्टा द्रष्टृदर्शी दर्शिर्न च. To chant the shloka itself, there are all kinds of twist words. Therefore, what is the understanding that we should come to with total faith and clarity? Drashtrutvam drishyata chaiva na ekasmin ekada kvachit. one thing at the same time cannot be drashta also and drishya also. It cannot have drashtritvam. Drashtritvam is also bhava prayoga. Drishyata is also bhava prayoga. Tasya bhavas tvatalau. Either tva pratyaya or tal pratyaya. In tal pratyaya, then there is strilinga shabda, so ta pratyaya. Drishya drishyo nacha drashta. Drishyasya drishya drashta na bhavati. Drashta cannot become drishya of drishya. So drishya means ahankara. Ahankara's drishya cannot be atma. Atma cannot be drishya of ahankara. Ahankara can be drishya of atma. Drishya drishyo, nacha drashta. Drishya drishyo, what is the samasa? Vigraha?
दृश्यस्य दृश्यः
Drishyasya drishya. Atma drishyasya drishyo na bhavati. Drishya drishyo, nacha drashta. One sentence. Second, drashtru darshi drishir nacha. Drashtu darshi. So drashta does not become the vishaya of drishi also. Drishi means the knowledge. Knowledge here means the pramana. Pramana vritti is also jnanam. Whether it is pratyaksha pramana, anumana pramana, upamana, any shabda pramana, that vritti, pramana vritti is jnanam. So drishihi drashtudarshi na. Drishi does not make drashta as drishya. Or drishi is not the seer of drashta. Drishi does not become the knower of its knower. Okay. So, Tika we will see in the next session. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Krutau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.